Hello everyone, good evening. So in this lecture we will discuss the basic difference between ideal current source and practical current source, ideal voltage source and practical voltage source. So before going to that part, let me tell you the basic definition of source, basic definition of current source and basic definition of voltage source. Source क्या होता है? It is something which can able to deliver some electrical power. So as you know, electrical power is the multiplication of voltage and current. On basis of that, we can classify source in two categories. One is voltage source, second is current source. Okay, so that entire part we'll discuss. So without further delay, we'll start the session. My name is SRP. You are watching my beautiful channel Love You Science. So पहले तो देखते हैं सोर्स क्या होता है. सोर्स जैसे मैंने बोला सोर्स क्या होता है which can deliver some electrical power, which can deliver electrical power. ठीक है. So power क्या है? You know power is V into I. So on basis of that we can classify source in two categories. One is voltage source, one is voltage source, and second is current source. ठीक है. Voltage source क्या है? Which can able to deliver a constant voltage or which can able to deliver a potential difference to the load. That is called voltage source. Like your battery, voltage source का symbol ऐसे होता है. One is plus, other is minus. ठीक है. Like your battery. और sometimes ऐसे भी ये भी सर्किट डायग्राम है प्लस एंड माइनस. सो दे आर द सिंबल ऑफ वोल्टेज सोर्स. इसका मतलब क्या है? दैट वोल्टेज सोर्स विल एबल टू डिलीवर a potential difference to the load or to the circuit you can say. करंट सोर्स का सिंबल क्या है? ये करंट सोर्स सिंबल एरो मार्क. ठीक है. सो इसका मतलब क्या है? देखो द पोटेंशियल वोल्टेज सोर्स का मतलब मैंने क्या बोला? दी दैट सोर्स विल एबल टू डिलीवर सम potential difference to the circuit or to the load. But I'm giving an example. This is your load and this potential the voltage is 10 volt. इसका मतलब क्या है? That 10 volt that 10 volt of potential difference is given to the load. Coming to current source, if this is 5 ampere current source, so that current source is able to deliver 5 ampere of current to the load. ये आपका load है. So ये definition. Again I repeat, voltage source क्या है? The source which will able to deliver a potential difference to the load. And current source क्या है? Which will able to deliver a current to the load. That is the basic difference between current source and voltage source. So next, voltage source are two types: ideal voltage source and practical voltage source. Current source also two types: ideal current source and practical current source. So पहले voltage source देखते हैं. Voltage source are two types. One is ideal voltage source, second is practical voltage source. So ideal voltage source क्या है? Let this one as voltage source and this is your load resistance RL. So ये हो गया ideal voltage source. ये जो voltage source is ideal. This one is ideal. So it has no internal resistance. But practical transformer में क्या होता है? It has some internal resistance. मतलब it has some internal resistance. ठीक है. So this part is called practical voltage source. Are you getting my point? In ideal voltage source, there is no internal resistance, but in practical source there is some internal resistance. So difference क्या है? देखो, whatever the potential difference will be given to the load, that will be same as this magnitude. Or you can say, if the battery has a EMF of 10 volt, that 10 volt will be developed across the load. So there is no potential drop on the path. But in practical voltage source, since there is a internal resistance, so there will be some potential drop here. So let your EMF is 10 volt. So what about its output voltage? It will be less than 10 volt. Less than 10 volt. Are you getting my point? That is because of the potential drop across the internal resistance. But here if it is 10 volt, that will be 10 volt. That is the basic difference. Are you getting my point? Ideal voltage source में there is no internal resistance. मैं लिख रहा हूँ इधर no internal resistance. ठीक है. But in practical voltage source there is internal resistance. But usually internal resistance कम होता है. इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस इज वेरी वेरी लेस. अगर ये ज्यादा होगा आउटपुट वोल्टेज विल बी लेस. ठीक है, यूजुअली कम होता है बट आइडियल में जीरो ही, बिल्कुल नहीं. So next is current source. Current source are two type: ideal current source and practical current source. So current source are two type: ideal current source and practical current source. आइडियल करंट सोर्स क्या है? ये हो गया आइडियल करंट सोर्स. मतलब लेट द मैग्नीट्यूड इज 5 एम्पियर एंड देयर इज लोड हियर. मतलब 5 एम्पियर करंट इज फ्लोइंग थ्रू द लोड. देयर इज नो इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस. मैं बोल रहा हूं नो इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस. Okay, but in practical current source there is a internal resistance. There is a internal resistance. Okay, let this current is 5 ampere. So what is the difference here? The 5 ampere current is delivered to the load, but here less than 5 ampere current will be delivered to the load. Less than 5 ampere. Why? Because there is a internal resistance. यहाँ पे जो current है, that current will be getting divided. Usually internal resistance high होता है. Usually high होता है, बहुत high होता है, क्योंकि less current will flow through the path and maximum current will flow through the load resistance. But anyhow, the load current will be less than the supply current. Are you getting my point? So did you notice one thing? In practical voltage source, the resistance is connected in series, but in practical current source, resistance is connected parallel. Why? Because in practical voltage source में क्या बोला था? Due to the potential drop across the resistance, internal resistance, the output voltage will be less than input voltage. So that means by default that resistance should be connected in series. But here in practical current source, since the output current will be less than the input current, that's why one parallel path is there. The resistance of the parallel path is called internal resistance. Usually that value will be high. Okay, so due to the internal resistance, the output current will be less than the supply current. So that is the basic difference between ideal current source, practical current source, ideal voltage source and practical voltage source. Now we'll talk about the source conversion. So we can convert current source to voltage source and voltage source to current source. ठीक है, तो कन्वर्सन क्या है? पहले कन्वर्ट करते हैं वोल्टेज सोर्स टू करंट सोर्स. वोल्टेज सोर्स टू करंट सोर्स. Voltage source to current source. Let this one is your voltage source. Voltage is V and internal resistance is, let it R, small r, and the output side is AB. Here we can keep a external resistance to measure the output voltage. But now the point is, this is a practical voltage source. That practical voltage source can be converted to practical current source. And current source here, the current value is V upon R. Remember, the value of current will be V upon R, and that internal resistance will be connected in parallel with that, and terminal is A and B. Are you getting my point? Difference देखो. Here internal resistance is connected series with the voltage source, and here internal resistance is connected parallel to the voltage source. But if we know the voltage and resistance, we can find out current according to Ohm's law, V upon R. But the value of resistance will be same. The value of resistance will be same. Make example there on देखो. Let voltage is 10 volt and this resistance is 1 ohm, or resistance let it be 2 ohm. 2 ohm. Can you tell me what is the magnitude of current in current source? It is V upon R. V कितना है? 10. 10 by 2 is 5 ampere. And what about its resistance? Resistance is 2 ohm. इसका मतलब क्या है देखो पहले. मतलब 10 volt of voltage source with internal resistance 2 ohm is equivalent to 5 ampere of current source with internal resistance 2 ohm. देखो, internal resistance will be same, but here it is connected in series, where it is connected in parallel. But the magnitude of current source will be voltage upon रेजिस्टेंस, ठीक है। तो सिमिलरली वी कैन कन्वर्ट करंट सोर्स टू वोल्टेज सोर्स, करंट सोर्स टू वोल्टेज सोर्स। कैसे देखो, लेट यू हैव a current source here and the magnitude of current is I and internal resistance is small r, terminal is A and B. So you can convert this current source to equivalent voltage source, and the magnitude of voltage source is I into R, current into resistance, and here internal resistance will be connected in series with that source, ठीक है। देखो, current source में magnitude of current is given, so voltage you can find out according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, ठीक है। But the value of resistance will not change, value of internal resistance will not change। एक example दे देते हैं, let current source is 10 ampere, internal resistance is 2 ohm, tell me what is the voltage? Voltage will be 20 volt, 10 into 2 that is 20 volt, and what about its internal resistance? 2 ohm। so इसमें conclusion क्या है, 10 ampere of current source in parallel with internal resistance of 2 ohm will be equivalent to 20 volt of a voltage source with internal resistance 2 ohm, ठीक है। So that is all about the conversion of voltage source to current source and current source to voltage source. Hope you guys understood what I've explained today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.